Hello.
So what are you building?
A castle. Bye.
Oh, what, from the building blocks?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You want a hand to build the castle?
Yes.
Okay. So what do we need first, mate?
We need the magnets box.
We need these ones here.
And look, guys.
What do you got there, mate?
Look, they can stick together, but look.
They stick together, don't they?
And look.
They're like 3D glasses, mate.
Yeah, it's rainbow everything.
Right, you got these ones?
Yeah, I got these ones.
Alright, and then you put them out here flat.
Like this.
Yeah, that's right, mate. Do a line like that.
Do a line like that.
Yeah. Okay. Like that. And then put this one here. So they come together easy, don't they, mate?
Yeah, they do. I need 2 of these. And flat them like this. And have some of these on it.
I can see you through there, mate. Hello. There you go. She's standing up there, mate, in the house.
Can her stand up?
Yeah. Because she's standing up in the house. She'll fall out if you keep blowing on her like that.
I'm going to Mama's house. Look at me. Time for you to go to bed, baby.
Oh, she's missing something. What's she missing, mate?
What?
She's missing something. What's she missing?
Another one.
What does she need to go to bed?
A bottle.
A bottle? Okay, give her a bottle. She got
Yeah.
her bottle. And she's drinking.
She's drinking the milk.
She's going nine-nice. She's going nine-nice?
Yeah.
Where did you go? Are you hiding? Where'd Zoe go?
See under me.
Under the chair?
No.
Oh, I don't know where you are, mate. You're not in any of the castle holes?
Is there a possum in here?
Any in there? No, not there. In there?
Possum in here.
Where's the possum?
Here. Under the table. It's missing. Daddy, should we break it? But first we need to get all the stuff out.
Okay, you get the dolls out, mate, so they don't get hurt. Okay? When you do a demolition of the house, you have to get all the people out of the house
Help
so
me.
they don't get hurt, mate.
Yeah, that's what you need to do.
Did you get them all out?
Yes.
Okay, they're all safe now.
We'll smash it.
No, there's one up here.
Help me.
One here stuck in the house, mate. Okay, put it back.
And we can use these later. We can do another one. Okay. 1. That's a smash. Should we make another one?
You can make another one if you
Okay. Can you help me?
I can help you if you want.
Okay. First we need to do one piece right here. I made this a long time before.
How high are
Yeah.
you? Is it cool?
Yeah, let's make it.
What is it, a big tower?
Yeah, big tower.
And what are you going to put in the tower?
I don't know yet, but
Something got to go in the tower.
no, something not go to the tower.
Who lives in the tower? Do you know who lives in the Yes, they do, mate. Drop out the bottom.
Can I drop out the bottom?
You won't fit in there, mate.
Then we should make a big one.
We can't make a big one. No, don't go in there.
I can fit my feet in it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Bye bye everyone. Thanks for watching my video.